This 50-foot set of flexible marine strip lights delivers bright multicolor illumination that easily covers the length of most small to mid-size boats for dramatic nighttime visibility and ambience. The included dual rolls, remote control, sensor box, and mounting hardware form a complete system, so you can outfit your deck or cabin without hunting for extra parts. Strong adhesive backing plus additional clips and screws keep the strips firmly in place, even when exposed to vibration, spray, and frequent foot traffic. The low-voltage 12-volt design runs cool and energy efficient, making the lights safer to touch and less demanding on a boat or recreational vehicle battery. With waterproof construction and cuttable sections, these lights adapt well to under gunwale runs, cockpits, cabins, trailers, and even home or patio projects. Durable circuit boards and efficient light-emitting diodes help the strips resist overheating and flicker, providing long-lasting, environmentally friendly accent lighting on the water.